Hello guys, good afternoon. Once again, my name is Ethan, your cloud master here at Huawei Customer SM Manila. So for today's video guys, I just wanted to give you a quick recap about this Huawei Nova 11 series. And the best thing about this Huawei Nova 11 series, we still have the ongoing promotion, which is the Passion for You. So we're giving away a lot of discount and freebies para po sa Huawei Nova 11 series. So let's start with this Huawei Nova 11 Pro. So the best thing about this Huawei Nova 11 Pro, we are using the durable Kundun glass. So the best thing about this Kundun glass, it's 10 times better drop resistance. So guys, ganun kalupit po to. So less worry tayo dropping our phone because we are using the 10 times better Kundun glass with this Huawei Nova 11 Pro. And also, the best thing about this, we are using 120Hz flawless OLED curved display with 6.78 inches OLED curved display. And but the best thing about this, we have the 2K resolution. And for our speaker, we are using 80 degrees ultra wild sound stereo. So, ganun kalapit to guys. So, yung mahilig mag-watch ng movie dyan, mahilig manood ng mga movies, this one is better for you. And not only that, para sa mga gamer, we have the 10.7 billion color with 429 ppi. So guys, ganun kalupit po ang ating Huawei Nova 11 Pro. And also for our back case, we are using Nova monogram. So we are using vegan leather design. So, ang maganda dito guys is scratch resistance na rin siya. So, compared to other models or other brand na gumagamit ng leather na pwedeng or madaling ma-scratch. So, this one is better than others. Then, also for our charging capacity, we are using 100 watts supercharged technology with 4,000 milliampere battery life. So guys, ganun siya kalupit when it comes to our new Huawei Nova 11 Pro. So the best thing about this, you can charge up to 20 minutes with 100% and 15 minutes for 50%. So guys, ganun po kalupit itong Huawei Nova 11 Pro na. And also guys, available po itong Huawei Nova 11 Pro with green and black color. And the best thing about this, we are using the Orbit Star Orbit design for the camera. And speaking of the camera, for the front camera, we are using 60 megapixel ultra portrait camera and 8 megapixel for our portrait close-up camera. So guys, ganun kalupit to. So may ultra wide angle na rin dito na available. And also, for the back camera, we are using 8 megapixel ultra wide angle, 50 megapixel for our ultra vision RYB technology camera. And also, we have the 10 channel color with laser focus. So guys, yung mga gusto mag-avail po ng Huawei Nova 11 Pro, all you have to do, just drop by here sa Huawei Customer Store SM Manila. So, I already done with our Nova 11 Pro, so I also want to share to you the Huawei Nova 11. So the best thing about this Huawei Nova 11, it has the flawless OLED edge display. So yun yung malapit sa kanya with ultimate R corner. So easy grip feeling sa rin siya. So hindi na tayo nag-worry when it comes to gripping our phone. And also the best thing about this, it has a 66 watt supercharged or turbocharged technology that you can charge this only for 31 minutes up to 100% full charge. And also it has extremely lightweight and thin. So it has the 6.88mm thin and also 168 gram weight. So ganun lang siya kagaan guys. So sa camera natin, same with the 11 Pro, we are using the Star Orbit technology camera or design. Plus also the best thing about this, we are using the 50 megapixel ultra vision RYB technology camera with 8 megapixel ultra wide angle. And for our front camera, we are using 60 megapixel with ultra portrait wide angle. So guys, ganun din po kalupit yung camera natin. So marami itong features when it comes to camera. We have the vlogging mode technology, we have the continuous video recording. So ganun po kalupit siya, dual mode technology camera. Ganun po kaganda po ang ating Nova 11 series. And also for our display, we are using also the 2K resolution with 10.7 billion colors and 120Hz also guys. Yung mga may mag-games dyan, mag-watch na movie, ito yung marirecommend ko sa inyo. Also, we have the P3 wide color. At the same time, naka-HDR na rin po siya for high motion photo. So, ganun kalupit and video display. So, ganun na po ka-colorful yung display or ka-vibrant yung display na pinoprovide po ng 11 series natin. And also, it has the 6.7 inches rin po with full view display. At the same time, it has the 93.4 screen to body ratio. Guys, so, yung mga gusto mag-avail ng 11 Pro, again, both of them, 11 Pro, Nova 11, has 256 gig internal memory with 8 gig RAM. So, si 11 Pro is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 780, while the 11 Pro is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 880. So guys, si 11 available tayo for the gold color, black, and green. So again guys, yung mga gusto mag-avail, again, drop lang po kayo dito sa SM Manila. And last, ito guys, para sa mga kids, sa mga elders, so mga seniors, ito naman po yung i-recommend ko sa inyo, which is the Huawei Nova 11i. So the best thing about this Huawei Nova 11i, we have the 1mm ultra narrow bezel. So ganoon na po kanipis yung bezel na ginamit po when it comes to our Nova 11i. And also, it has the 94.9 screen to body ratio guys. So ganun kalupit po yung screen to body ratio natin with 90Hz po or refresh rate. So, good for gaming na rin siya at the same time, good for watching movie with 270% Hz touch sampling rate. So, yung response mo natin sa touch natin, ganun rin po kabilis. So, sa size natin, we have the 8.5mm thin and also it has the 193 grams na po yung lightweight natin. For the battery, we are using the 5,000 mAh battery life with 40 watts supercharged technology na rin po siya. In just 30 minutes, kaya na po niya mag-charge from 3% up to 60% po ng battery refueled natin. So for our camera, front camera natin, we are using 16 megapixel front camera with dual orbit display na po siya. So the best thing about this rear camera, we are using 48 megapixel high-res camera, and for the back, and we also have the 2 megapixel for depth camera. So available to guys for the green color and also black color. So kung yung mga gusto mag-avail guys, again, punta lang po kayo sa SM Manila kasi ongoing po yung promotion natin. So it also powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 680. So guys, yung mga nagtatanong about the price, this one, the 11i, from 13,999, mabibili po natin siya for only 11,999, and it comes with leisure gift box. For our Nova 11 guys, from 24,999, nabibili natin siya for only 19,999, and it comes with band 7. And for our 11 Pro guys, ito mabibili natin ito from 33,999, available na siya for only 29,999, and also it comes with band 7. So, sa card naman po natin, available tayo for 24 months using the Metrobank, BPI, PNB, and RCBC. We also offer 0% for home credit. So guys, yung mga gusto mag-avail ng Nova 11 series natin, again, drop lang po kayo dito sa SM Manila. Ako po mismo ang mag-a-assist sa inyo. So again guys, my name is Ethan, your field master here sa Huawei Concept Store SM Manila. So guys, Nova 11, thank you so much and God bless you all. Bye!